Have you ever wondered how to use all the data you collect from your business operations and maximize your potential? Business leaders like CEOs and CFO with a winner's mentality are not passive about patterns and information from data points. Captivix is a leader in business intelligence and can help you make sense of all this raw data by turning it into actionable insights and use it to improve your efficiency and subsequently your revenue. With the help of Microsoft Power BI, a tool that offers world-class performance analytics in the simplest way possible. It is an extremely powerful tool that allows business leaders to visualize data in a way that suits their needs. It is completely compatible with all your existing applications or systems and will seamlessly integrate with your business's IT environment. You can easily customize its dashboard by embedding it with all your data points, whether on-premise or cloud-based, as Brandon from our team shall now demonstrate.
Hello, I'm Brandon Ray, a business analyst with Captivix. Power BI is a visualization tool that delivers the data you need when you need it, whether you're in the office or on the go. Because Power BI is so user-friendly, it allows the staff and leadership alike to forecast, create insights, and implement a plan of action on a wide range of business areas. This culture allows the organization to allocate resources more effectively and empower employees to make faster, more informed decisions, which ultimately will increase the bottom line.
From your ERP, CRM, back-office operational systems like Excel, Salesforce, and social media platforms to Google Analytics and the Internet of Things, you can unify your data in real time from all possible points to give complete insight into your business. Since it's set up in the cloud environment, it is not restricted by hardware limitations. It makes looking at data interesting with its intuitive and pleasing visuals. Each person can have a customized dashboard without any additional maintenance or overheads. It is perfectly optimized for both desktop and mobile use, so you can use it on the go. And the best bit is, you don't need any special training. You can leverage your knowledge of Microsoft Excel as Power BI and Excel work seamlessly together. Use the flexible and familiar interface of Excel while still getting world-class and easy-to-use visuals that can easily be shared. You just need to know what you want from it, and it will be delivered. We are committed to making IT solutions for your business that make management easy. For more such awesome solutions, visit our website. Simplifying growth. Captivix.